drag this body to...
I can't drag bodies, they remove my hands.
No.
Bro, that's fine.
Ah, shit, my game crashed.
Who's playing this song, Jeremy?
What?
That's Ricky.
Do I have someone muted I don't know about? Ricky's not in the...
Hey, you staff member. Oh.
Did you press Bambi's stuff out?
No, there was somebody right there.
Bambi got demoted.
Who should I call? I'm gonna call Ricky and play
Can you
fucking
come
God.
drag
All you
this
needed
guy so I
from
got
me,
this?
Dane? Is that all you needed?
Dude,
Dude, I've got 2 FPS right now.
Drag him to hospital.
How do you play like that, my boy?
I don't.
Is that all you need?
I can't even shoot.
So
And
what
that's
do you
why I
do?
get harassed by goats.
Yeah, move.
So what do you do?
I do nothing but walk around.
Stick to me game up.
How do you even walk around with you?
What do you want?
I don't.
Wait, Diamond, did you have anything on you?
Oh, no.
Okay, good, sorry. It was crossfire.
Crossfire, he says.
It's like a slide.
one standing right in front of the guy who's shooting.
I'm gonna make an aimbot just to aim off straight onto Oslo's head.
Why
We're
is
gonna make
what? Would that work?
Yeah.
Wait,
Why
I've
am
got
I
2 FPS.
Depends.
watching?
I'd rather
Don't
stay
use
black
it.
the
How
whole
do I
time.
look in general? Oh, there.
I think aimbot on my computer.
I'm gonna make an aimbot that only
Oh, you
shoots
fucked
black
up.
people.
Cops already have that.
I like that idea actually. Big way. Can I buy it off you?
I'll get onto it. I'll actually try.
How would that be possible?
Research.
See, Ricky?
I fucking remember that.
It depends. I'd either have to get the
Bro,
presets
that was
of
so
black
that broke my
character
fucking heart.
people,
That was dog.
That was back when I was still super.
or I
Bro,
just have to use like
that was
color
so
ID,
dog.
would be scuffed.
I was so mad about that because fucking I knew her from Poseidon. We used to talk all the fucking time, and then she forgot who I was and gave me maximum sentence. I was like,
Pretty boring
Oh,
right now.
guys, there's a guy with a pistol at spawn if you want to come play.
Yeah, on my way.
Wait, tell him
What
to
a
tell
deagle.
him his office.
Oh, he's gonna try shooting.
Oh, there's a bunch of cops. Do I have initiation?
It's
on cops?
Dean Molasses. It's
At
Dean
least you
Molasses.
can add it to the part.
Murder him.
At least you can add it to the
him.
video.
Wait,
to the
Martinez,
movie.
do I have initiation on cops? No, but you guys still share if you guys still have initiation, then I do, because it's gang initiation. That's how it works. It's
Oi,
how the
Crispin.
mafia works. Yes or no? There's a cop off.
why do you have to fucking train me?
Just fucking shoot him and say initiation.
Do a specs.
That's what I do, bro.
Stop going to
I have
bank,
no idea
do
what's
all
up
Yeah,
there.
I'm gonna go kill him.
do it, hospital.
Why do you need a water?
He's super fast.
You need to drink? Okay, I will give you some water behind you.
Bambi,
I'm gonna get
Water.
raped.
Yeah, if he's thirsty, he needs to drink. Wait, that's not how you drink.
Juice is more. Juice is
Well, radio.
Juice cleanses you more. Juice there. Use juice.
That's not very good.
Proceed on that, man.
I'm in the maze, right?
Okay.
This is amazing.
Come
here, come
I got the other one.
Nice, throw the...
I got the other
Oi,
two.
Martinez, someone stole your BLZ, you
Which one? The blue one?
orange one.
Wait, bring Callum, bring Callum.
What's that, mate?
Well, I don't even know where he is.
Wait, where's Dosler?
Is that all you need?
I killed all the cops, that's all I know.
Yeah, little bait. Yeah.
What time is
I
this?
killed two.
I killed two as well.
Yeah, there was one sitting at the gas pump and I just looked at him with my shotgun and I just... Oh, it's not
Shit.
got time.
How do you
Oh,
guys
wait,
do
how
this?
to get out
Rogue,
there?
mate. Rogue.
Yeah,
Leave
I
the
got
area
beam
now.
Who is White Wings?
Leave the area now.
Fairy
Wings.
I don't know, Bambi.
No, not Fairy Wings, the Wings ones.
Probably Kermit then.
Kermit's one here.
We killed them all. I just came up behind them and started shooting them.
I love
If
when
you're
I'm
vo-
playing on cop and I've got 2 FP.
I think Louis has the other pair rogue.
Is he Esau?
No.
Actually, I think he might be banned, but not exiled. I think he did something.
Oi,
What is
Jeremy.
this?
Damn, nigga.
Jeremy,
If you get the key,
I got
Hey,
nine
Bambi, do you have Louis' Steam?
Oh no.
White Wings.
No.
Seriously, fucking Jake's like point effort into application. What even is that, bro?
Are you done with me?
What
I
even
get
is
bad
that?
unit response for
Are you done?
every...
I'm going back up to the
Still
seat, to
need
be
to, yes or
honest.
Yeah. your name.
I got denied
Check
admin for poor
I
staff
get it.
response when
I
I had like
bro.
9 references and Hannah -1 to me because I kept killing him.
Jake one's being corrupt.